Okay, we're here unboxing a box from the Solplex store on Amazon. They're beautiful solar lights. Pathway solar lights.
What do you get?
LED. There's 6.
Okay.
And they have really nice instructions that tells you how to operate them. And they're very well made. I've already peeked.
These are glass, right?
Yeah, they're either glass or very nice plastic. They're very nice quality. And you turn that to open it.
You got 2 LEDs.
Look at the LEDs. You turn it that way if you want clear.
There's an LED on both sides.
And then you turn it the other way if you want it to have color.
But you got it's in the you got to cover. There you go.
Yeah, see?
It will change colors.
And it'll change color. If you want it to change color, you go the other way, or you can go clear.
We'll do a nighttime
We'll
video.
do a nighttime video showing what they look like in our landscape. But they're very nice, and this is what it looks like clear.
It has
See?
multiple lights and it's bright.
It's beautiful. Very, very nice quality.
Multiple LEDs, yeah.
Multiple LEDs, very
Yeah,
nice
there's,
quality.
5 on each side, and then there's one on the top that lights up, so you got 10 total.
Very nice quality. And they snap right back. They have covers on these, but I've taken this one off. And it also comes with, like I said, 6 lights.
The stand's in there somewhere.
And then the stands to put them in. Then you just turn this, and there's this goes in here, and that will be your.
And it rests on here.
And then this rests on here.
And it's pretty tall. It's what, 18 inches tall or something.
Yeah, it's a good size. And I'm not doing that right. I don't know what I'm not doing right.
Have to turn it.
No, turning it ain't helping.
No, let me. It probably fits in there tight, so
Yeah.
it won't go anywhere.
I can't. Yeah, there it goes.
It's snug, so the wind's not gonna take it
It's
off.
tighter. It's stronger than I am right now, but it's very good height.
Yeah, that probably sticks up maybe 20 inches, folks. So we'll do a nighttime.
Hold on, I'll show you how to. Do we have?
You got 6 of these there.
Okay.
These half lights.
Look how tall. This is how. Look. There's a pop can.
Yeah, it's almost 3 pop cans high.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say probably 18 inches tall from the ground.
Yeah, so it's a good size because I don't have a ruler here, but.
Oh, here we go. Solar lights. 6 to 8 hours. Charge, fade, on, off. There's a troubleshooting guide. Shows you how to do everything from step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then there's a little note there. It's just a 4-page
Hey,
simplified.
It went out then.
No, it's still working. This screen dims. See.
Okay. That's good.